Can you be awake during a facelift? The answer is yes. A facelift can be performed under local anesthesia only. You do not need to go to sleep. The area is small enough that it can be completely anesthetized using a tumescent solution that contains lidocaine, and this will make your entire face go numb so that a facelift, neck lift, upper eyelid blepharoplasty, lower eyelid blepharoplasty, fat grafting, forehead lift, laser surfacing, all those things can be done under numbing medicine only. The biggest thing to remember is that you have to lay on a table awake and hold still while all this is going on. So one of the main reasons to go to sleep under at least sedation, IV sedation, or general anesthesia during facial rejuvenation procedures is so you don't have to consciously try to lay still and endure being awake during the whole process. So there is an advantage to going to sleep because then you don't have to remember it and be awake during it. If you don't want to go to sleep, that's fine. We can completely numb up your whole face and perform the entire operation under numbing medicine only. I generally will prescribe you a Xanax and pain medication pill to take beforehand so you're somewhat relaxed during the procedure, but you will be awake and able to talk to us the entire time. If you would like to be asleep enough that you don't remember the operation, then you would require a higher level of anesthesia, which is called IV sedation. And that level of anesthesia does require another provider to provide that anesthesia, meaning I can't be your operative surgeon and provide a highly sedative level of anesthesia at the same time. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.